Free money. Who don't like some free money? Yeah. All right, let's go. So we got the Ninja Blaze testnet airdrop. A really easy one to do. It's a gaming platform, betting platform on the Injective main chain. Couple steps to get your testnet tokens, and then daily you just need to come on here 5-10 minutes, play the games, and hopefully we get a nice local juicy airdrop from this. Local and juicy at the same time. You get me? So let's get straight into it. Let's not mess about. You go to the Galaxy website, you go to the Ninja Blaze space. I'll leave the link in the description. 2 steps. That is it. You get verified on their Discord server. You follow their space here on Galaxy. Boom, you're done. You're done. Go over to Ninja Blaze. Connect your MetaMask wallet. You should get your tokens automatically, and you can claim 10 more tokens every 24 hours. They've got 2 games live, Rochambeau and Jackpot. I've been mainly playing Jackpot. It's a betting game where you bet against other players. The person with the most tokens have a higher percentage of winning. So it once it plays, it spins. You can see it's active right now. People are betting. Top guy has bet 20 tokens, so he's got a 53% chance of winning. And yeah, it's a fun little game to play. Something that you can do daily, no stress, free money. You get me? And that is it, man. I mean, that is literally it. So this is definitely one that you want to be farming. No excuse not to do it. Bull cycle is here. Super cycle. It might be the last one. So we have got to put in 1000% to make sure we are positioned correctly to make the life changing money. You see me? Catch you on the next one.